Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to check Bluevine's account eligibility requirements. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time. I'm just going to show you how to confirm whether your business qualifies for a Bluevine account. So let's get into it. The first step is to go to bluevine.com in your web browser, and then from the main menu just select business checking. Next, scroll down to the eligibility or requirements section, and there Bluevine lists who can apply. Step 3 is to check the business requirements. Generally, you must have a US-based business. Also, you must be at least 18 years old and operate in an eligible industry. Certain industries like adult entertainment, weapons manufacturing, or illegal services, these are all restricted. Step 4, check the personal requirements. You're going to need a social security number if you're a sole proprietor, or an EIN for an LLC or corporation. Step 5, confirm residency. The business owner must have a U.S. residential address as well as a government-issued identification card. Final step is if you're still unsure, just go back to the home page and then click Help Center or FAQ. You're going to find detailed eligibility answers. And that's it. You've verified Bluevine's requirements before applying, and I hope this video helped. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll